Welcome to this quick tutorial where you will learn exactly how to buy the cryptocurrency Ether with the Portfolio app. Before we begin, please make sure that you have installed the latest version of the app. Let's get started. In the Portfolio section, tap on Ether. Now you can tap Buy ETH to get to the buying section. In the buying section you can enter the desired amount, the details of your bank account, and your wallet address where the cryptocurrency will be sent. Once you have pressed Continue, you will have to confirm your order. After confirming the order, you also have to provide your signature. In the last step, you will receive an email with the payment instruction. Now it's time to send the funds from your bank account to the given address. After that, you will see the funds in your wallet in the following few days.